How are you currently ensuring your loved one's safety and security? Known for its large tourism industry and agricultural sector, Florida frequently ranks high in the number of human trafficking cases reported. During the summer, there is typically an uptick in these numbers due to children spending more time outdoors, participating in various activities. A staggering 20% of the abducted children are found deceased. Despite this, recovery rates for missing children in high-risk situations have significantly improved due to tools similar to child-safe kits. Let's get to 100% by being strategic with our legacy protection. As a military veteran-owned business, ANJ Consulting FIrm hired veterans like Mr. Alex Joseph. He has over 25 years of strategic planning and leadership development skills. Tap into his skills. Text or call 954-574-2242 now to schedule a free no-risk consultation for your life plan.